Did you say Leica SL3? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thomas Love here from beautiful Vancouver, British Columbia, and today we are at the ice rink for basically two main reasons. First is that I wanted to check out with my 28mm if I had enough reach, even cropping in 35, 50, 75, and I have to say it's a fair thing to assume, but it's definitely not enough if you want to have good, nice shots. Second is because I am thinking about the Panasonic S5 Mark II X paired with the 70-300 OIS glass to take profit and take advantage of the phase detect and the IBIS in the camera paired with the IBIS in the glass, meaning I won't need a gimbal. And then, guys, we got some anticipations about the Leica SL3 to be released Q1 2024. Now, oddly enough, these rumors are not coming from Leica Rumours, but from Sony Alpha Rumours. So, photographer Andrea Pizzini, if I'm not wrong, thank you for that information you're sharing with us. Keep us posted because we are all so thrilled and excited to see how this SL line is progressing. And Leica, they've been always innovating their M-mount line, and they did an outstanding job in that. And I'm thinking about the Leica M10 monochrome, the Leica M11P, so on and so forth, but they also introduced new product lines, such as the Leica Q line. I'm enjoying my Q2 for a few years right now, and then the Leica SL2 for photography and video production. So that's something new to the company, but not new to the market, because they are not really innovating. They are more adapting technology, and they're more catching up with the technology that other brands developed first. So this is why I am always happy to see the M-mount alliance and the L-square technology progressing and be implemented into new products, such as, this is the case, the Leica SL3, that is rumored to have the same 60 megapixel sensor that is now implemented in the Leica Q3, and then possibly the same phase detect that Panasonic developed and the IBIS. Now, since the Panasonic S5 Mark II and 2X have a lower megapixel count sensor, I don't really see Leica developing a IBIS for their 60 megapixel sensor, and so I think it is fair to assume that also Panasonic will be releasing a brand new model with the same high megapixel count, and that Panasonic will be working on the IBIS for that sensor that then Leica will implement in the SL3. And guys, another big question mark is the Leica SL3 only catching up with other brands, or will it be innovating? Will it be implementing a global shutter? I saw the release of the Sony A9 Mark III, and this global shutter, despite very interesting, it also has some limitations in dynamic range. Now, we Leica users are also spoiled when it comes down to color science and dynamic range. Hence, I think it would be fair to assume that if Leica is implementing a global shutter, then it won't have any kind of limitation. But let's see, stay tuned guys. I will keep you posted with all the new rumors and leaks that I'm discovering. Stay tuned, we will be following all these updates till the very release in Q1 2024 of the Leica SL3. And if you survived the Cyber Monday, and if you survive the Christmas deals, maybe you will have enough money set aside. I mean, we're talking about the same amount of money that would be needed in order to purchase a car here, the Leica SL3 plus Leica glasses, but I'm just joking here, because I'm sure that professionals that will choose the Leica SL3 for their photography and video production will be also pleased with the end results. So with that, I hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please remember to like it, share it on your social media, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any videos to come, and I guess I will see you later. Thank you. Bye-bye.